struggle one can have in Germany. I'm going to prepare myself. I'm already dressed. This is the hair I did in my previous video, so yeah, it is still there, guys. It's still there. This is already 2 weeks, so as you can see, I'm going to use that. I'm now going to do my morning tea, and what I used to do is just normal tea. I'm sorry when I'm saying tea, it's in German, like I'm mixing my German already, I don't know. So I'm going to do a normal tea, ginger and lemon, that's it. And I'm doing that like every morning. Sometimes I can add like cayenne peppers. So I have my lemon, cutting it into 2, and I'm going to, have my tea here. What I use today is Kräuter tea. I don't know, this is in German, but you can use any tea. I used to put peppermint tea, but today I put Kräuter, and because I'm drinking it with hubby, so, and I'm going to squeeze my whole lemon inside, I'm going to squeeze the whole lemon inside. If you have lemon squeezer, this is better. I'm just doing this because I am in a hurry. Yes. So, I'm going to put my honey. This is not enough because our tea is like, it is more than the honey. I'm going to put, so I took another bit and I'm going to put it inside. This is not compulsory, right? You can drink it that way. I'm putting it because of my sugar muff. So it's good. So this is my cup. And inside my cup, I'm going to add ginger. I'm drinking it with hubby, but I'm not going to put ginger to hubby. And I'm just pouring it by checking it. No. You can put like 1 tea leaf. 1 teaspoon. Oh God, what am I speaking? And I try to mix. Good. Good for my morning voice. My body cleaning. This is from hubby. I'm going to put his own. Because of me, he stopped drinking coffee. He stopped drinking coffee. Ooh, it is too full. Because this is better for, body weight and so body cleansing. So I am done with this, I'm going to pack my things. So I am done, but I can't go because I have to do my daughter's hair. It is not easy. Just going to go and make you, they can delay you for everything. And this is how I look like. Hello. One in 10. See someone greeting you like this, then you are lucky for the day in this country. A country that can frustrate you until you get gray hair before your time. I only love this weather because of the leaves colors. Those flowers that changes colors from green to red to yellow to like, I love it. So I am already tired, guys. It is like it will rain right now. I hope I am on time. Oh, I already seen the train. Oh no, it's not our own. No, it's not our own. So it is not our own. See you. So I am done with school. I'm going home now. It is fucking cold. It was a long day. Yeah, see. So guys, I am home and yeah, I am so tired, so tired because I left this morning around 6 o'clock and I came back home like around 5:30. Like I'm so tired. You are going to sit the whole day listening, writing. It was so stressful. Like I don't know. And you know, the weather is not also friendly. Like everything is on your head. Like when you come back home, you have to take care of your family. You have to check on your kids' home work. You have to check on what you are going to do the next day. Like guys, I just wanted to do some get ready with me, and this is how my hair looks like. You know, for those who have been following me, yeah, this is how I did. I wasn't having time to change my hairstyle, so I had to dye a little bit in front, and I was thinking I would leave the middle like this, so I will leave the the rest of my scalp like that, but as I can see, my scalp is full of gray hair. I think I'm going to, I'm going to change that color. I'm going to turn everything into this color. That's it. So yeah, as you can see, I did it with no gel, guys, and this is 2 weeks, 2 good weeks. It is not bad. I'm chilling with, and so far as it's still good, I'm going to, spend another week. This week I have only 4 days school, so I'm going to renew my hair. I don't know what style, but I'm going to do what will make me like not sit for long. Going to do some short hairstyle. I don't know which one, but yeah. For the rest is a story for another day. Let me leave it for now. And you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me. Thank you for everything, right? See you in my next video.